So you're playing on your Xbox Series X and suddenly your controller says battery is running low and after a while it turns off. This happens when you least expect it. That's why in this guide I'll show you all the different ways you can charge your Xbox Series X wireless controller, and even though this sounds pretty straightforward, but it can fool you. So I'll show you 3 different ways to charge your Xbox controller, different types of batteries that you can use, rechargeable or non-rechargeable, and everything else you need to know about charging your Xbox controller. First you'll need to check what type of battery you're using. So just pop open the battery compartment by placing your thumb on top of the arrow and then just sliding up. Now we can take out the batteries, and the batteries that were included with your Xbox Series X are non-rechargeable AA batteries. So in this case, after the charge is depleted, you'll need to buy a new pair. And in case you have rechargeable batteries that will have their milliampere written on them, then you should keep in mind that your Xbox is not able to charge rechargeable AA batteries. So to charge them, you'll need to get a AA battery charging adapter or charging deck like this one. You can buy them for pretty cheap, and they often comes with rechargeable batteries as a package. So to properly charge rechargeable AA batteries, just put them into the charging adapter and then plug them in overnight. After that, the next day you can take them out and start gaming. And lastly, if you have got yourself the official Xbox rechargeable batteries, aka the Play and Charge kit, then it will connect via the charging pins that you see on your controller's battery compartment. So these are the only type of batteries that will be charged when your controller is connected to your console via the USB cable. And you can always check your battery's charging status or battery level right from your Xbox console's home screen or from anywhere by opening the Xbox guide. And for the Xbox charging kit, when it's charging, you'll see the nice charging animation. You can also charge the Xbox rechargeable batteries using your smartphone's charger. So just plug in your Xbox's USB cable into the charger and then charge it via wall socket. But before selecting a charger, make sure that the output voltage is not above 5 volts. So keep your controller charged, and when you see the batteries are full, just unplug them and you can forget about charging and get lost in gaming. So that's how you properly charge your Xbox controller depending on the battery time. If this guide helped, then you can let us know by dropping a like and subscribing, and I'll see you in the next one.